Shoutout daw dyan sa mga committee dyan, no? Na Alberto, dahil sa tropa. Nasa lupa. Sila na may hawak ngayon ng paligid.
Number 67, pass to number 55. 55 puts it up. No, number 67 comes. No. Who's got the ball? Rebound number 3, pass to number 0. Pass the ball. Pass to number 5. So nakuha na number 27, nakuha na number 55, pass to number 15. Number 15, setting up play. Pass to number 55 to number 22. Number 22, attacks, number 22, lays it up, no. Number 5, nakuha na number 22, lays it up again, wala na naman.
Gulang.
Foul.
Kitang-kita si George.
Foul number 2 sa boy. Pass to number 5, back to number 0, number 0. Attacks, pass to number 9, puts it up. Go, who's got the ball? Number 3, puts it up. Wala na naman. Nakita kami number 27. Number 27, pass to number 55. Number 55 has the ball. Number 55, pass to number 22. Number 22, fouls. No. Rebound by number 0. Number 0, pass to number 5. Nice to the number 55. Number 55, Pakake has the ball. Pass to number 15, Pelos. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to number 22. Number 22, Fix. Bounce. Pinasa number 27. Basket.
First basket.
Official score 2-0 in favor of white team. Number 0, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to number 9, back to number 0. Number 0, pass to number 5, 10 seconds to shoot. Number 5, Julia, step backs, denied. Nakakuha ni number 27, pass to number 55.
Bilis niya ngayon.
Number 9, has the ball. Number 9, pass to number 0. Number 0, back to number 9. Number 9. Pass to the corner, wala. Rebound by number 67. Pass to number 15. Number 15. Pass to number 27. Bounce. No. Number 15 with offensive rebound. Number 15. Pass number. Nice to the number 5. Number 5 to that judges. Number 5. Number 5. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Bounce. Fade away. Basket is good.
Basket din.
Match lang naman pala namin.
Number 55 has the ball.
All two.
Number 55, pass to number 67, pass to number 15, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Out of bounds.
Sa bingo, ano? Pwede sa bingo.
Number 0, pass to number 9, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Fouls, 3 points. Official score 5-2 in favor of 5. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 55 using the screen. Pass to number 22. Fouls. No. Rebound to number 20. Pass to number 0. Number 0 Number 0. Pass to number 3. Now one number 67. Number 55 pass the ball. Number 55 pass to number 27. Basket is good for number 27. Official score 5-4. 1-point lead for Mexico. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 9 fouls. No. Number 55 with offensive rebound. Number 55 steal with number 9. Number 9 try-try na si number 9. Number 9 attacks. Pinasa. Pinigay number 5. Number 5. Pinigay number 3, pinigay number 20, number 20, denied. Number 20 again. Basket count.
7-4 lang mga 5.
Ganyan chetek.
Sinimulan niya eh. Pwede na ito, bakit nang mo yung talo? Magkakatalo ang traction nila.
First shot, no. Rebound by number 27. Foul. Remaining time, 5 minutes exactly. Number 15, setting a play, pass to number 67, pass to number 55. Number 55, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 67, puts it up. Basket is good.
Ang tres pala ng
Official
playoff.
score 7-6 in favor of Proximo.
Naganda nga yun eh. Tinalo ng uno sa ice eh.
Oh.
Number 0, setting a play. Pass to number 5, back to number 0. Number 0, fires. No. Number 22 with rebound.
Kung nag-semis agad, di nag-nag.
Number 22, pass to number 15.
Kaya mo agad.
Number 15, fires. 2 points. Official score 9-7 in favor of the white team. Number 9 has the ball. Pass to number 0. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 9 takes. Pass. No. Number 22. Pass to number 55. Number 55. Basket is good. Number 3.
Nadali ni XT.
Points.
Pag shoot na 3 points, ba't patras lagi yan ka?
Official score 11-10, 1 point lead for Tres. Number 22 takes, attacks, bumps, spins, foul.
Dalawang taon lang. Dalawang taon.
Nagkasakit yan.
First row, basket.
Buti na nga rin, meron na.
Second row, basket again. Number 0, pass to number 9. Back to number 0, pass to number 5. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Foul. Foul number 69. Number 9. Who's got the ball? Now going number 23. Pass to number 9. Number 9, Herrera, setting a play. Number 9, pass. No. Rebound on number 3. Number 3, retrecha si number 3. Pass to number 9. Number 9 puts it up. Basket is good. Official score 13-12, 1 point lead for Tres. Number 9, pass to number 16. Number 16, pass to number 69. Number 69, still by number 0. Number 0, pass to number 9. Number 9, basket.
Wala lamang. Isa.
Official score 14-13 in favor of Proximo. Number 9, 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Number 9, pass to number 69. Still na naman. Number 5, dire-diretso si number 5. Foul! Pass to number 5, 1 minute and 45 seconds. Number 6, bumps, puts it up, basket! Official score 16-13 in favor of Proximo. Number 16, pass to number 9, fouls! 3 points! 1 minute and 20 seconds. Number 0, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to number 3. Number 3, 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 9, puts it up. No. Number 6 with offensive rebound. No. Red ball. Number 16 has the ball. Philippine number 9, pass again. No. Offensive rebound for number 67. Number 67. Pass to number 23. Number 23. Pass. No. Number 0. Dire-diretso si number 0. Number 0. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Pass to number 5. Wala. Number 0. Basket is good. 30 seconds.
18-16.
Number 16. Pass to number 67. Out of bounds.
20 seconds.
Number 0 has the ball, 15 seconds remaining down. 10 seconds, number 9. Pass to number 5. Foul!
Quarter, apat agad. Jekoy. Fourth quarter mo na ako pa.
First row, basket is good. Second row, no. Foul. 5 seconds. 3 seconds.
of the first
End of the
quarter.
first quarter. Official score 19-16.
Tama, mapurok 5. Tatlo. Second quarter.
14 to number 9. Number 9. Pull up jumper. No. Number 14 with offensive rebound. The rebound to number 69. Number 16, carrying the ball. Pass to number 9. Pass to number 22. Number 22 fouls. No. Number 9 with the rebound. Pass to number 0. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 0, pass to number 9. But again, number 0. Number 0 attacks. Pass to number 9. Number 9 fakes. Pull up jumper. No. Who's got the ball? Now, running number 14 with offensive rebound. Pass to number 9 to number 6. Basket.
Si Jumper.
Official score 21-16 in favor of Proximo. Number 22 setting a play. Pass to number 9. Number 9 stop and pop. No. Out of bounds.
Kuya Kevin yun. Ako nagay.
Number 9, Herrera. Setting a play. Number 9, fouls. 2 points. Official score 21-19. 2 points lead for Oxingo. Number 0, pass to number 9. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to number 6. Number 6, fouls. No. Who's got the ball? Now, number 9. Number 9. Pass to number 22, foul.
Sa Rabbit.
First row, basket.
Kuya Sandy. Kuya Kadyo. Kuya Tilan.
Second row, basket again. Substitution. Pass the ball.
All na, all. Di na
15
nakakadyo.
seconds on the shot clock. Number 0, pass to number 9. Number 9. Out of bounds. Pass to number 0. Number 0 attacks. Traveling. Pass to number 9. Number 9 fouls. 2 points. Lamang na ang Proctores. 24-21. Number 0. Pass to number 9. Number 9 attacks. Step back. Fouls. 2 points. Pass to number 9. Number 9, pass to number 16, pass to number 22, number 22, fouls, no. Rebound number 67, number 67, pinasa number 22, foul. First row, basket again. Second row, basket is good. Official score 26-24 in favor of Proctres. Number 5, wala. Rebound number 27, pass to number 9. Number 9, setting a play. Pass to number 16, pass to number 22. Number 22, bombs. Pass to number 27, number 27. Traveling violation ball. Number 0, pass to number 5, pass to number 14. Number 14, step back, still out. Nakuha ni number 67, pass to number 16. Number 22, pass the ball. Number 22, pass to number 9. Number 9, pinasa. Kaya still nakuha ni number 31, pass to number 14. Pinagiging number 9. Number 9 to number 0, number 0, basket. Official score, all 26.
Dikit ang laban, all 26.
Number 16, pass to number 9, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 22, pass to number 67, number 67, basket. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Number 9, pass to number 5, to number 31, number 31. Steal, nakakuha ni number 16, pass to number 22.
28-26. Laman
Number
ng dalawang
22.
tres.
Pass to number 16, pass. 2 points.
So, 2 points lang pala.
Official score 30-26. 4 points lead Proctres. Number 0, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 9, side step. Wala. Rebound na number 67. Number 22 has the ball. Number 22. Pass to number 9. Number 9 pass. No. Number 27 offensive rebound. Wala. Nakuha ni number 5. Number 5. Foul. Number 9. Pass to number 5. Pinalagay number 9. Number 9 pass. Wala. Who's got the ball? Nakuha ni number 9. Jump ball.
Yo!
Remaining time, 4 minutes exactly. Number 55, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 15, natapigan na, wala number 5, foul. Number 9, has the ball, pass to number 0. Number 0, pinagin number 14, pass, no. Who's got the ball? Rebound by number 22. Number 22. Number 22 attacks. Puts it up the line. Nice for the number 9. Pinasay number 22. Basket is good. Official score 32-26. In favor of Proxinco.
Hindi na naman maka-score.
3 minutes exactly.
Favor of Proxingo daw.
Number 0 pass to number 31. Number 31 pass to number 5. Now number 9. Number 9. Nice to number 9 doon. Number 9 Herrera. Pass. No.
2 minutes.
Number 0 pass to number 9. Bounce. Fade away. Wow.
May import ba naman ka?
First row. Basket. Second row. Basket again. Official score 32-28 in favor of Proctres.
Lugi kay Bono yan.
Number 15. Pass. No. Number 9. Pass. Number 0. Number 0. Basket. Official score 32-30. 2 points lead Proctres. Pass number 15. Number 15 attacks. Offensive foul. Seconds. Save ball. Pass to number 0. To number 3. Pinagay number 0. Pinagay number 9. Pass. No. What?
Dadalwa na pala.
Number 55. Setting a play. Number 55. Pass. No. Number 15 with offensive rebound. Puts it up. Wala. Number 9. Number 9. Number 9. Dire-diretso si number 9. Lumipad. Wala. Nakuha ni number 22. Number 22. Attacks. Basket down. Bonus shot to number 22. Wala. Rebound number 9. 25 seconds remaining time. Number 0. Pass number 14. Talagay number 0. Number 0. Pinagiging number 9. Number 9. Pass. Foul. 2 shots for number 9. Basket. Second row. Wala.
Castro.
Last row. Basket. Substitution.
Dalawa. 34.
Number 9 has the ball. Pass to number 55. Number 55 fade away. Wala. Number 69. Foul.
Hindi ba manggulang ni Kevin ano?
First row. Wala. Second row. Wala Alert. Who's got the ball? Na-rebound ni number 3. 25 seconds remaining time. Nakuha ni number 5. Nice to number 69. Pass to number 55. Number 55. Puts it up. No.
Last shot.
Number 0. Dire-diretso na si number 0. Wala. Rebound ni number 69. Number 69. Dire-diretso si number 69. Pinasa number 55. Pinalagay number 69. Plus correct. 2 seconds.
36-32. 4 ang lamang ng 3. Third quarter na pala. Third
Number 9
quarter.
has the ball. Number 9 pass to number 0. Number 0 pass to number 6. Basket was good.
Hindi mo nakaka-inject. Ayan.
Number 55 setting a play pass to number 9. Number 9 pass. No. Rebound ni number 6 pass to number 9. Number 9. Number 9 puts it up. Wala. Number 3. Pinasa pala kay number 9. Wala. Nakuha ni number 55. Number 55. Pass to number 22. Number 22. Attacks. Lays it up. No. Rebound ni number 3. Number 2. Dire-diretso si number 3. Pass to number 5. Number 5 spins. Lays it up. Wala. Out of bounds. Right ball.
Press lang.
Number 22 pass. 3 points.
Medyo ayaw pumasok.
Kapabayan ah.
Number 0. Pass to number 3. Number 3, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to number 9. Number 9 puts it up. No. Rebound to number 9. Herrera. Pass to number 22. Number 22. Number 22. Pass to number 27. Number 27. Basket. Pass number 3. Number 3. Umigot si number 3. Number 9. Number 9. Pinasay number 5. Number 5. Basket. Number 55 has the ball. Pass to number 67. Number 67. Pass to number 27. Get out. Safe. Number 22, pass number 27, number 27. Pass to number 0, number 0. That's good. 41-30. 41-30, Team Tino por 3.
Hindi lumari si Hugo.
Number 55, attacks, lays it up, wala. Nakuha ni number 9. Number 9. Pass to number 0, pinalagay number 9, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 9. Pass to number 0. Pinigin number 31. Number 31. Wala. Number 31 ulit. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Number 9. Pass. Wala. Rebound ni number 9. Herrera. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 55. Number 55. Puts it up. Wala. Nakuha ni number 27. Number 27. Pass to number 55. Number 9, pass. 3 points. Official score, 44-30 in favor of Tres. 6 minutes exactly. Number 9, pass number 0. Number 0, pass. Wala. Rebound number 67. Number 67, pass number 22. Number 22 has the ball. Number 22 attacks, puts it up, foul. First throw, basket. Second throw, basket again. Pass the ball.
Walo na lamang.
Number 0,
38.
pass to number 14, pass, wala. Who's got the ball? Out of bounds. Number 55, setting a play. Pass to number 9. Number 9, pass to number 22. Number 22, falls. No. Offensive rebound, number 67. Number 67. Puts it up, nasa bala, still number 14, pass to number 0. Number 0, the Rouse. Foul. Number 0, pass to number 5, then again number 0. Number 0, still number 55. Number 55, open layup. Wala, number 9, basketball.
10 na, nalaki na, lamang. 48, 38.
Basket.
11 na, 11.
Number 9 has the ball. 11 points lead for the white team. Number 9, 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 6. Number 6 puts it up. No. Rebound to number 67. Pass to number
Nahirapan na sa
42.
basket ang Purok
Number
5.
42, setting a play.
Hirap na ang mga basket.
15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 22, a pass, lays it up, basket is good for number 22. Position score, 51-38 in favor of Tres. Number 5, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to number 0, number 0 fakes. Pinasay number 9, number 9 puts it up, basket is good. 51-40, 11 points lead para sa Pro 3. 15 seconds on the shot clock, pass to number 67, number 67, denied, now one number 14, pass to number 0, number 0, attacks, pass to number 14, basket is good. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 5 seconds, number 55. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 55, pass to number 9. Number 9. Number 9, puts it up, wala. Number 27, basket is good for number 27. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. 53-42, 11 points lead again for the white team. Number 5, pass to number 14, Fritz. Pinasay number 0, number 0, pinali, wala. Wow. 45 seconds, remaining time. Number 55, setting a play. Pass to number 22. Number 22, 14 seconds on the shot clock. Using the screen, number 22 attacks, puts it up. No, number 22 again. Basket count. For number 22.
Hindi kumapit ang buntot eh.
Number 22, basket is good. 56-42. 56-42 in favor of Progress. 2 minutes exactly remaining time. Number 5, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 5, crossover. Number 5. Number 5 attacks. There's a foul. Basket for number 5.
Yung bukay ko yun din. Yung gupit. Sigawin mo nga sa iba
Second row, no rule, rebound number 27, pass number 55. 1 minute and 45 seconds, number 22 has the ball. 15 seconds on the shot clock, number 22. Nice to the number 0, number 0, dire-diretso si number 0, puts it up, basket. 56-43. 56-45. Number 55, pass to number 69. Number 69. Number 69, puts it up. No, rebound number 22. Basket is good for number 22. Number 9, pass the ball. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Number 9, pass to number 3. Number 3, pass to number 5. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 5, puts it up. And white ball. 52 seconds. Number 15. Using the screen, number 15, puts it up, no. Number 27, number 27, basket is good for number 27.
Tamba ka na. 15 na.
30 seconds on the winning time. Pass to number 3, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 3. Nag-aatang papasa, pinagigil ang 14, pinagilagay ko number 3. Nahuli number 22. 15 seconds, number 22, diretso na si number 22, nahuli number 55, puts it up, wala. 8 seconds. Number 5, there's a foul.
Para tambakan niya. Lalo na pag
First throw, basket is good.
na muna yan, ano?
Parang kanyo, kailangan ka talaga ano.
Second throw, basket again, 2 seconds, 2.
13 lamang.
Number 15, foul.
60-47. 13 lamang ng 3.
Official.
Fourth quarter.
Number
13 ang
55.
hinahabol. Ang Purok 5, 16.
Number 55 attacks, lays it out, basket is good for number 55. Official score 62-47 in favor of Purok 3. Number 5 picks, fouls, no. Rebound to number 69. Pass to number 22. Number 22 has the ball. 15 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds for sure. Number 22. Number 22. Pass to number 27. 3 seconds to shoot. Number 27. Number 27 again. No. Tingin pa ko ni number 9. Number 9 nag-aatang papasan. Pass to number 0. Number 0. Number 0. Diretso sa number 0. Dalay. Who's got the ball? Number 14. Number 14. Wala. Rebound din number 20. Nice steal. Now wala number 0. Pass to number 3. Number 3. Pass to number 9. Pass. No. Rebound din number 69. Number 69. Diretso sa number 69. Number 69. Lays it up. Wala. Now wala number 0. Number 0. Pass to number 5. Basket is good for number 5.
13.
Number 22 has the ball. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 22. Number 22 attacks. Bob spins, lays it up. No. Who's got the ball? Nakuha ni number 9. Number 5. Nakuha ni number 3. Pass number 14. Number 14 fakes. Step back fouls. No. Nakuha ni number 27. Pass number 55. Down 55. Pass the ball. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 55 attacks. Pass number 69. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Out of ball. Out of ball. Number 22 has the ball. Attacks. Nakuha ni number 9. Number 9. Diretso na si number 9. Pass to number 0. Nice to number 15. Number 15 in transition. Number 15 bombs. Puts it up. No. Nakuha ni number 16. Number 16. Pass to number 55. Fouls. Air ball. Substitution. Number 9 in, number 55 out. Number 0, pass the ball, pass number 5, ilagay number 0, pass number 9, pass, no. Who's got the ball? Rebound ni number 22, number 22. Out of foul. Number 67, number 67 drives, foul. Foul on number 20.
Tawag yun.
13.
Meron din paano sa patos mo? Kulay pink.
First throw, basket is good. Second throw, basket again for number 67. 6 minutes and 30 seconds remaining time. Number 0, pass number 9. Binigyan number 0, binigyan number 5, number 5, fouls. 2 points. Number 22 has the ball. 64-52 in favor of white team. Number 22 attacks. Number 22 bombs. Fakes. Number 16 deny. Number 15 got the ball. Number 15 nawala ang bola. Nahuli number 5. Number 5 pinadala si number 5. Lays it up. Basket is good.
Isa na!
5 minutes and 50 seconds. 64-54. Sabdo na lang ang kalamangan. Number 3. Number 22. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 22. Number 22 attacks. Puts it up. Foul. Push foul ulit. Foul na number 9. Number 9.
Legal.
No. First throw. Basket is good for number 22. Basket again for number 22. 66-54. 12 points lead for the white team. Number 9 setting a play. 5 minutes and 23 seconds. Number 20. Pass to number 5. Number 5, 10 seconds to shoot. Fakes. Pinagulogin number 5. Nakawin number 22. Number 22. Dire-diretso na si number 22. Number 22, there's a foul. Same ball. Pass to number 16. Number 16, pass to number 67. Number 67 bombs, puts it up, wala. Same ball. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 16. Fouls. No. Nakuha ni number 9. Number 9. Dire-diretso na si number 9. Number 9. Number 9. Pass to number 0. Puts it up. Wala. Who's got the ball? Nakuha nino. Nakuha nino. Keep ball by 20 seconds.
Dose,
Remaining
dose,
time, 4
nahabol.
minutes and 20.
66-54. 4 minutes, 20 seconds.
Number 14. Pass. No. Who's got the ball? Ito na number 9. Pass to number 55. 4 minutes and 10 seconds.
Left 8 seconds.
Number 55. 10 seconds in the shot clock. Number 55. Attack.
Nabili.
Traveling.
Wala!
Number 0. Pass to number 5. Number 5 still in number 9. Number 9 dire-diretso sa number 9. Lays it up. Basket is good for number 9. 3 minutes and 35 seconds. Pinalagay number 9. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Pinalagay din number 9. Number 9. Pass. Ever. Number 9. Herrera. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 9. Nagkakabasa, nakita si number 67, nakita natin si number 55, kay number 27, basket is full. 70-54, 16 points lead for the white team. 2 minutes and 50 seconds, pass to number 5, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 14, nice play number 9, number 9 open layup, basket. Number 0. Finds number 14. Number 14. Fouls. 2 points. Who's got the ball? Now only number 5. Number 5. Bombs. Space. Foul. Take time.
13.
The official score 72-57. 72-58.
Ba? 14 pa pala.
Short ball. Nakakuli number 55.
14, hinahabol.
Number 55 pass the ball. Pass to number 27. Number 27 puts it up. Basket is good. Remaining time, last 2 minutes. Number 0, pass to number 3. Number 3 fires. No. Rebound number 9. Number 9 got the rebound. Nice to number 0. Number 0 puts it up. Basket is good. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Number 27. Pass to number 67. Pass to number 9. He puts it up. Wala. Number 0. 1 minute and 30. Pass to number 14, fires, no. Rebound to number 27, pass to number 22, 1 minute and 25. Number 55, foul. Basket is good. Second row, basket again. 16 points lead, 1 minute and 15. Pass to number 0, pass to number 5. Number 5 bombs. Basket. 1 minute and 5 seconds.
14.
Pass to number 55, puts it up, wala. 55 seconds. Nanay. Nakawala number 9. Number 9, dire-diretso si number 9. Pass to number 55, 15 seconds on the shot clock.
Talo na naman po ang aming kapurok.
Number 9, pass to number 55. Out of bounds.
Nagdurog pa si Rodol.
Number 5, no.
Nadudurog na ang palitada, oh.
22 seconds.
Sports game, panalo ang Purok Tres. Congrats sa Purok Tres.